Is your website feeling slow, vulnerable, or constantly under attack? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds using Cloudflare. First, head over to Cloudflare and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click Add a Site and enter your website's domain name. Cloudflare offers several plans, but for most users, the free plan provides excellent protection and performance boosts. Select the free plan and confirm. Cloudflare will now scan your existing DNS records. This might take a moment. It's important to review these records and make sure they're accurate. Cloudflare essentially acts as a middleman between your website and visitors. To enable this, change the proxy status of your website's DNS records, particularly the name records, to Proxied. This activates Cloudflare's security and performance features. Now, the crucial step. You need to update your domain's nameservers at your domain registrar. GoDaddy, Namecheap, etc. Cloudflare will give you 2 new nameservers. Copy and paste these into your registrar's DNS settings panel, replacing the existing ones. Once your nameservers are updated, it might take up to 24 hours for the changes to propagate. While you wait, explore the Cloudflare dashboard. Consider enabling Always Online in Quick Actions. Is caches a version of your site so visitors can still access, even if your server is down. Dive into the Security tab to fine-tune your firewall rules. You can block specific countries, challenge suspicious visitors, and protect against common web attacks. Head over to the Speed tab. Enable features like Auto Minify for CSS, JavaScript, and HTML to reduce file sizes. Also, consider enabling broadly compression for faster loading times. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've drastically improved your website's security, performance, and resilience against DDoS attacks. Now your website is faster and secure.